A wonderful good morning to all my sunshines and great listeners, and welcome back to my channel Happy Learning. I hope that you all are well. And in today's video, I have brought a segment of an invitation letter, and this will help you to write an invitation letter. And in this video, I will explain you that what is an invitation letter, what is the format, and what are the important things you need to remember. All right, so let's quickly start the video now. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. All right, so let's start this. So what is an invitation letter? An invitation letter is a written or verbal request inviting someone to go somewhere or to do something. An invitation is a request, a solicitation, or an attempt to get another person to join you at a specific event. When you ask people to attend a party, visit your beach house, or witness your marriage, you invite them by giving them an invitation. Okay, so I have made a format of invitations. Okay, you can see in this picture which is there. It can be in the form of an invitation card, which is generally considered as a formal invitation, or it may be in the letter format, which is more informal. So let me tell you that invitations letter are into two parts. The one is your formal invitation and the other is informal invitation. So let's talk about the formal invitation format. So the format will include all these points. The first thing is your name of the host. The second is standard expression like request the pleasure of your company, solicit your gracious presence. The third thing is purpose of the invitation. The fourth thing is name of the honoree, day, date and time of the event. Dates must be written in letters and you should not use abbreviation. Name of the place, location with the complete address. That means you have to enter the address, the venue of the party or event also. RSVP, that means include an RSVP. This elegant abbreviation comes from the French phrase répondez s'il vous plaît, and the meaning of this French phrase in English is please respond. That means if you like an invitation, please respond of this invitation. Okay, an RSVP is an essential at parties where you need to know exactly who will come, so you can organize things accordingly on the basis of their convenience. Telephone or mobile number or address of the host, that is also mandatory. Any other relevant details which you want to like put in your invitation letter, you can do that. Okay, so here I have pasted a picture of invitation letter. You can see here the first one is about the medical seminar. Okay, so in this letter, the letter is telling about the immense pleasure inviting all the members of the Haryana Civil Medical Doctors Association. Okay, so the medical seminar is organizing, or it is organized by Haryana Civil Medical Doctors Association. So they are welcoming to all the doctors to a talk on AIDS, a global concern. Okay, so all the doctors from this association, they are welcoming to all the doctors from across the country, all right, in this seminar, and they are going to talk about the a global issue, that is AIDS, on 17th August. Okay, at 11:30 a.m. at, this is the address over here, Hotel Ranjit, Panchkula 7, and the honorable speaker is Dr. P.S. Ahluwalia. He is the HOD Medicine, PGIMS, Chandigarh. Note, they have given the note also in this invitation letter that the program will be followed by lunch. Okay, and this entire event is going to organized by HCMD Association, 2345 Panchkula 15, and they have also given the contact details also, like 2341023 2342323. Okay, So in the same way, there is another invitation letter just below that, and the invitation is Newton Public School, Nagpur. Okay, and this is given by the principal, staff and students of this school. So they are like pleasuring and the company on the auspicious occasion of the annual function of their school. Okay, so this particular invitation is about the annual function of their school, and the annual function will be happening at 11 a.m. on Saturday, the 15th November 2000. That can be any year. Dr. M.M. Joshi, he is the HRD Minister, Government of India, will be the chief guest and give the prizes to the students. Now this is RSVP. We were discussing about it. Okay, Principal, Newton Public School, Nagpur, and he has given the phone number over here, as you can see down here. Okay, so these are the two different formats of invitation letter, and that is the format you have to follow when you are like drafting an invitation letter in your exam. Okay, now this was the format of the letter, invitation letter. I hope that so far you have understood about the format and the invitation letter. Now let me tell you that how to reply these invitation letters. So there are some important things which you have to like remember when you are replying the letters. A formal reply is usually very short. Okay, it is brief and to the point. The quality of a good reply is that it is always pleasant. Even while declining the invitation or expressing inability to attend, one must be polite and courteous. Formal replies demand a formal tone and treatment. There is no room for unnecessary details for superfluous matter in them, and an informal reply or passive letter may, however, express personal feeling or desires in an intimate style and informal tone. Okay, so that's how you can reply these letters. So I hope that in this video you have understood about the invitation letter drafting, invitation letter writing, and how to reply all these. So let me end up with this video, and I hope that at the end of this video you have understood everything. So again I would like to say thank you to all my great listeners that they have take out their precious time to listen to this video. So if you have liked this video, then again I'll request to all my listeners that please subscribe my channel and share it as much as you can. Please comment on it, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be keep on like getting videos from my side. All right, thank you so much for your patience, and stay tuned with Happy Learning and keep watching. Thank you.